Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It is Tea Tuesday. This wonderful open collaboration is hosted by Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things. It's also Friendship Any Day because today I'm going to be sharing some wonderful happy mail I received in my P.O. box. It's been over a week and a half since I visited. I was away for a little bit, so thank you so much. This first special mail comes from FLECHIA from FP Handmade. If you're not familiar with her channel, she is an amazing card maker. She has a Dollar Tree series where she shows some stickers and she does different card sketches to show you how to lay them out in what she ends up making. I love her card series. She also has hauls and giveaways. So FLECHIA, thank you so much. I'm not sure what's in here, but I am gonna pull them out. Oh my gosh, you have sent me so much. Oh my goodness. Let me see if there is a note. Oh my goodness. I don't see any note, but thank you so much. Look at what she has shared with me. These are really popular. Suneko Versafine. I do not have these. Actually, our Hobby Lobby recently closed and they moved 3 cities away from us. So this comes really timely. Thank you so much for sharing this. So sorry about that glare. I'm trying to bring light so that you can see the things I'm filming. It's a little overcast right now. So here's another one and it has a beautiful green color. So I am super excited to test these out. And the third one she shared, and these are all perfect for spring projects. Another one, and this time it is in Charming Pink. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. In addition, she's also shared some wonderful cut-aparts. Let me take them out of the bag. Here is our first bundle. Oh my gosh, FLECHIA, you are too sweet. You know how much time it takes to do these cut-aparts and put happy mail together. I think it's so sweet of you to even think of me. So look at this. This would be great for our spring and summer scrapbooking. I cannot wait to add this. It says create your own sunshine. So true. And look at that. I love it. This is so sweet. Let me see. Oh, I didn't even check the backside. There's some beautiful butterflies and dragonflies. What a beautiful paper pad. FLECHIA, let me know which paper pad this is. And I love it when they have writing spots for this because you can just put it in there. And check out this adorable snail. And that's the backside. So it's a similar one. What a wonderful summer pack. There is more. We have more of these cuties here. Oh my gosh, this was amazing. Super amazing. And you can use this too as belly bands or as little headings in your junk journals, scrapbooking, in your planners. I love using these, and I'm definitely going to be using them when we go travel. And actually, I haven't really finished my entries for our holiday travel, so I may add some of these, like my favorite place. Look at that bird. Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you for sharing this. This is so beautiful. And look at that. Perfect for spring. Happiness blooms from within. That is so true. Love grows wild. Happy day. And it looks like she's given me 2 of a kind. And check that out. I love it. Let's go explore. Excuse the noise outside. Sorry about the noise out there. So we have this cute little Vespa. So many beautiful cut-aparts, simple things. You can also mix match this with different collections and one with adventures. And then she had a 3rd pack. Oh my gosh, I just want to go on vacation just looking at these. I love it. There's also pizza and it says hello. Oh my gosh, super cute. We got the flamingos. Oh my gosh, an ice cream. Oh, I love this strawberry. That is so cute. And I need coffee. Oh, FLECHIA, thank you so much. Super, super sweet. Really, thank you. It says shine on, and then it's let's chill together. Yay! Love that. That's super cute. And then we got You're sweet. Oh my gosh, what an amazing surprise happy mail from Felicia. Her channel's FP Handmade. I have 2 more from really sweet crafty friends, so sit tight. Let me grab the other 2 packages. Next package is from my really sweet friend Susan from Susan Heartstrings. You also know her as the host of hashtag Stamp and Play, and she was also my swap partner from a previous swap collaboration. So Susan, thank you so much. I don't know what this is for, but I really appreciate it. There is a card. It says Sweet Caramia. Oh my gosh. And look, beautiful bow washi. So let's open it and see what this is. If I can open it. Sorry about that, guys. So here it is. Oh my gosh. It says thank you for, let me read this. Hold on one sec. Oh my goodness, this is a thank you card from our swap. So you are so welcome. You did not have to send me that, but she had sent me such beautiful items. So I'm gonna link that at the end for you guys to see. And look at these gorgeous angel dies that she had sent. These are beautiful. I love her Twinsies and her ATC cards that she usually shares on her channel. She also has her giveaways. It looks like, was this a Stamp and Play, Susan? It looks like it. I love this. These are Project Life cards, if I'm not mistaken. But look at how adorable these stamps look on them and in different styles. I just love it. Thank you for sharing that. This one's a little thick one, but I'm gonna put that right there. And what is this? Oh my gosh, this is too much. So Susan also hosts some giveaways in the past, and oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. So she had wished me a happy trip. She knew I was going to Japan, but look at what she gifted me. Her name's Kyoko, and this is a Julie Nutting stamp. I love them. I don't have a lot, but this is going to be used. I'm going to add this to my journal. Thank you so much. That is super, super sweet, you know? I mean, like, guys, this is so touching to get all these wonderful things, and more importantly, oh my gosh, just the friendships that we've formed virtually. Again, I have not personally met a lot of you guys, and I just really appreciate all your support and love. And Susan, I love you, and I thank you for this wonderful thank you surprise. Thank you so much. I do have one more happy mail, and it's from a longtime crafty friend of mine, and I love her artistry. She is an amazing journal maker and artist as well, like many of my crafty friends here on YouTube. This is Melissa. Her channel is By Mimi with Love. So if you are not familiar with Melissa's channel, please make sure to check it out. She is hilarious. She also hosts different open collaborations, so if you'd like to check it out. She's also joined me in different collaborations I've hosted previously, and we've had so much fun. She is one fun lady. And so this is from her. I just want to make sure that I don't show the address. I'm going to cut this open. So she had messaged me and said that she had sent me some mail. Again, I apologize that I wasn't able to get to my post office soon enough because I was out of town. So Melissa, or as we fondly call her, Mimi, thank you very much. Oh my gosh. What have you sent? Oh my goodness. What is this? Okay. Here's the card. Look at that beautiful handwriting. And oh my gosh, what is, oh my gosh, look at this. It's your birthday. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. Is this an early birthday present? Oh my goodness. Look at how amazing this card is. First of all, look at that. And then it opens up like this. Let me read this off camera real quick. So Melissa, thank you so much. So this was something that she had created previously for one of my challenges. And I thank you so much for taking time again to mail it off. I know that we get busy with the holidays and she wasn't feeling too well. So thank you so much for even thinking of me and making this. And she said this is one of her first ones that she made and she wanted me to have it. I just wanted to show you a little bit how the mechanism works with this, and then it shows up as a letter, and it says, "Have a wonderful birthday." I mean, how amazing is that? That is so cute. So I'm gonna put this right there, and look at what she's gifted me. So my previous challenge, for my birthday challenge, I had requested a fabric snippet, and I see something in here, and this is what I mean. You are going to see her amazing just creativity and artistry. Oh my gosh, look at this. She's made me, hold on, I'm gonna flip it because I'm holding it the wrong way, a boho style fabric snippet. Do you guys see all the layers in here with the tassels and the bead drops, buttons and trims? All these beautiful combinations. Oh my gosh, look at this purple one. And I love that you added some beautiful texture here. Way to use some recycled paper too. This is so pretty. Look at the stitching she did over there. And then you see it? This is candy wrapper. Guys, this is a wonderful, this is why I love junk journaling, because we can put some of the things that would have gone to waste and reuse them and make beautiful things like these. She's included an owl, and we have this beautiful gold vine, and again, beautiful bead drops and tassels and paper flowers. Melissa, let me know if these are the paper flowers that you made, because I know she's known for her handmade paper flowers. When I first started following her channel, that was one of the first videos I watched. She had these gorgeous handmade flowers, and I'm pretty sure these are it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? She does jelly plating, everything. She's done so much, and she's so inspiring. This is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. But there are a few more things. She's also gifted me some wonderful pieces of paper that I can use in a boho journal, and I can see the way she's curated this. Oh my gosh, look at these. We got some of these cut aparts. I love it, Melissa. Thank you so much. She's also included, look at this, some really vintage book pages. Oh, and I love that kitty cat Snoop on the train. Oh my gosh. This will be put to good use. And she's added some of these fun marble print paper. Look at that, that's pretty. And then look at this print. Oh my gosh, I'm holding it upside down, I think. But isn't that gorgeous? And then underneath, we have more paper, some chevron, and then really colorful, kind of like mandala style print. And oh my gosh, where did you get these? These are, again, they're perforated so that you can use them as individual postcards or inserts for your floating journal cards, and some to color as well. Look, there's writing spots on the back. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. Again, Mimi, thank you so much for sending this to me and making it. And it is just such a blessing, and I feel so honored to have one of your art pieces here. This is just beautiful. And just so you know, this is what the back looks like as well. It's such a wonderful idea and so much creative inspiration here. I love it. Thank you very much. There you have it, guys. Happy Tea Tuesday. Please make sure to check out these wonderful ladies' channels. Felicia from FP Handmade, Susan Heartstrings, and by Mimi with Love. I'll have their links down below. Have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye.